The Klein 69149P test kit is a comprehensive electrical testing solution, including a digital multimeter, a non-contact voltage tester, and an electrical outlet tester. With its manual ranging digital multimeter, this kit can accurately measure direct current, alternating current voltage, and resistance, making it versatile for various electrical tasks. The non-contact voltage tester features a bright LED and audible tone to efficiently detect voltage in cables, cords, and other electrical fixtures. The included receptacle tester is reliable for identifying common wiring faults, ensuring safety and functionality in electrical outlets. Klein Tools has a long-standing reputation for producing high-quality, professional-grade tools, and this test kit is no exception, designed to withstand the demands of daily use. The test kit comes complete with necessary accessories, including test leads and batteries, ensuring you have everything you need right out of the box.